Hello all, welcome to my channel. Please watch just a little longer than 1 minute my videos and help me get, after 6 years, finally that 4,000 hours of watch time in 1 year. I don't know why my channel doing so bad. Maybe I am bad, maybe people does not like my English. Maybe, whatever it is, can I ask you please to help me a little, just grow my channel a little more. That is all. Today, again, device from the company. I have no idea who they are, since I never found the web page or anything like that. This is the name. I will not try to spell it here. I can spell it in my language only, not in English. So I will step across that. It's gas leak detector, but according to the specification, it can detect quite impressive amount of different gases. Today I can test just a few of such leakage, and we will see that very soon. However, this is very nice and tough package. I really like these. Little, I don't know if it is any help, this manual, but it can be helpful to know what it write on the screen. Device itself coming with USB charging because it have a built-in lithium polymer battery. So USB charging port, another guide, nice. Accuracy, they say plus minus 5%. That is for me acceptable, since this hand device should be used only to detect, not to actually precise measure amount of the gas in atmosphere. But I will try. These are I just once it's powered. It does not detect anything. Actually, it detects something, but maybe dirty air around me. It's dropping down, and maybe that is how it should be. So, give me a second to get everything what I can for testing. It's detecting something, I have no idea what, but it's small amount. Room temperature, relative humidity, very nice. Another, immediately to tell you another very important thing. This device I got like 2 months ago. I powered it, tried it, that it works, and that is all, and I had no time to play with it. Battery is full still. So 2 months after, it does not leak battery at all. That is very nice. It have two LED lights for charger and for alarm, as well tone alarm. These are units, I don't know mode and whatever. I will just let it like this. I didn't study how it works. So now this is ethanol. Alcohol 70%. Let us see what it will say for this. Look at it, how it rising up. It actually detecting just evaporation just ethane gas with coming out from it, from ethanol alcohol. Yep, it's nice. Let me cool. So this is empty bottle, so just trace of. Is it empty? Full? Let me see. No, it's not empty. It have something at. Let me see what it will tell. Look at it. Look at it. A lot of alcohol type 1. So it's nice. I need to clean this. So it said alcohol type 1. Let me try my usual alcohol, which I using very often. It rising up, rising up. What it will write for this, if it write anything. This evaporate very fast, I think. Look at it now, it doesn't detect anything. Let me add more. This is isopropyl alcohol, actually. It does not detect it, that is minus. Ethanol, yes, but isopropyl, of course. Alcohol type 2, look at it. Look at it. 20% detecting in air and alcohol type 2. So it's quite different. And red light for danger. So it even warning you that it's dangerous. Okay, let's wipe out this. Let it cool down. Okay, I wiped it up. Lol. I used part of the. Now it detects alcohol type 1. So it actually can decide. Maybe this was. This was. Maybe here I was wiping previous alcohol with this rag, so it detects that. What else I could detect? Uh, One very interesting thing. It still detect. It cannot. Yep, I managed to clean it. Now, uh, I don't know what type of gas in it may be, but let's see what it will do. But it's still telling me alcohol, like al, or it's something else. I don't know. I should read manual what this mean. Not maybe it's not. It was my association like alcohol type 1, alcohol type 2. Yeah, look at it how it detects gas from this lighter. Very nice, actually. Need to clean. That that is what I have found. Easy way to clean air in this nozzle. Let's. And now what is left? I don't have, and I don't wanna make fire in my home. Maybe controlled fire. But this is lighter fluid, and I going to try. What it will say for this. Of course, danger is there. So it detects and read manual what means AL1 or AL2. We tried two different type of alcohol, isopropyl and ethanol. It detects. We tried gas from lighter. It detects. And I don't have industrial gas in my home to try that. I would like, but I don't. We tried lighter fluid, which is gasoline type, and it still detect. So actually, very useful device. Uh, for me, it's not important to know what it detects because when it detects something with red, it's dangerous. It can blow up. It can, if it is gas, it can blow up. If it is too much alcohol, it can poison you. Especially isopropyl alcohol. If it is gasoline, it can blow up. I believe it detects CO2 and CO that is main what it should, and now it detects CO. In my breath there should be more CO2. It detects a little, but nothing so important because my breath is not like smoke from fire and so, and it's not good for me in house to make fire to see does it detect. I believe it detect, and it would be nice to show you, but some controlled fire and so. But this is plastic, and if I bring it too close to fire, I could melt it, and so on. Uh, this is device which can be very useful, and I think every home should have it. That is all what I wanted to tell you about this today. Thank you for watching, and please again help me grow this channel a little more. Subscribe, like, and give me a little more watch time, please. Thank you very much, and see you very soon with new video.